I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Power the Isagi Azure to stand by and remove any cover screws. This prevents accidental current flow. Once open, locate the latch module on the right rail and visually confirm pin alignment. This is crucial because misalignment causes binding. Use a small Phillips to loosen, not remove, 2 retaining screws. This lets you adjust. Now slide the latch toward the center until you feel light resistance. That light resist means engagement. Make sure to keep fingers clear. Once the latch is loose, adjust the lateral position so the actuator tip enters the clasp slot squarely. You want about 1 millimeter of clearance when the latch is at rest. That clearance reduces wear and ensures smooth operation. While aligning, depress the test lever slowly to observe contact. If it binds, back off 0. 5 mm and retry. When alignment is perfect, tighten screws to a modest torque, 2.5 Newton-centimeters, so the parts stay put without warping the plastic. You finish by running 5 deliberate open and close cycles. This seats the parts and reveals intermittent issues. Next, reattach the cover and power up. Measure continuity across the actuator. Readings under 50 ohms indicate good contact. If you encounter sticking or inconsistent latching, stop and inspect the actuator arm for debris or tiny bends. Even a slight kink changes engagement. If bending is present, replace the arm or gently straighten with needle nose pliers. Then repeat the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.